Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Lexus RX 450 Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, up, down, left, right, middle for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Let me focus here. Now every time you see this message, go ahead and click back. Now use your left or your right to go find your page, which is here at the setting. Now once you get to the vehicle setting, go ahead and enter on it. And go ahead and scroll down to schedule maintenance. Enter on it. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes. And go back. Click back. You're going to have to reset the oil maintenance also. Enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on yes. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.